Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to add a user group to your Parrot predictive dialer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a user group. Before we begin, user groups are used for features such as shift enforcement, agent screen display options, administrative reports, and campaign viewing permissions, as well as a few other features. Now, let's begin. From the Parrot Administration Dashboard, go to the User Groups section and click on Add a New User Group. You have to enter a group ID and description, or the submission will not be accepted. Group can have between 2 and 20 characters without spaces and can be letters or numbers. Note, you cannot have duplicate user group IDs in the system, and a created name or ID should never start with a 0. I'm going to enter video sales without spaces. The description can have a maximum of 40 characters. I'll enter video sales group. Click on Submit. The new user group has been added. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.